Did you know that just half a teaspoon of cinnamon contains more antioxidants than a full cup of blueberries? This surprising fact highlights the remarkable power packed into this humble spice, a power that has been recognized for centuries. From ancient Egypt to traditional Chinese medicine, cinnamon has held a special place as both a culinary delight and a trusted healing remedy. Today, as more people turn toward natural and herbal solutions for their health, cinnamon is once again stepping into the spotlight. But with so many herbal remedies out there, how do we know which ones truly work? It's more important than ever to look for remedies supported by solid scientific research. Cinnamon isn't just a flavorful addition to your morning coffee or oatmeal. It's a natural remedy with a long history and growing scientific backing. Its popularity is soaring, not just for its sweet and spicy kick, but also for the promise of health benefits that are both ancient and modern. As interest in herbal medicine grows, so does the need for accurate, evidence-based information. After all, while nature offers a treasure trove of health solutions, not every claim stands up to scrutiny. That's why today, we're diving into the science behind cinnamon, exploring what makes it a true contender as nature's miracle medicine. Let's begin with the foundation of cinnamon's reputation. Its astounding antioxidant power. Our bodies constantly face threats from free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Antioxidants are our defense, neutralizing these harmful molecules. Cinnamon is loaded with polyphenols, a type of antioxidant compound. In fact, studies have shown that cinnamon ranks among the most antioxidant-rich spices on the planet, surpassing even superfoods like garlic and oregano. Antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress, which is linked to chronic conditions like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. But cinnamon's benefits go well beyond antioxidants. One of the most exciting areas of research involves its potential to help manage blood sugar levels. For centuries, traditional healers have used cinnamon to treat symptoms similar to what we now know as type 2 diabetes. Modern science is now catching up. Multiple studies suggest that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar. One particular study published in the journal Diabetes Care found that people with type 2 diabetes who consumed as little as 1 gram of cinnamon per day experienced a significant reduction in blood sugar levels. Researchers believe that compounds in cinnamon may mimic the effects of insulin, allowing glucose to enter cells more efficiently. Inflammation is another area where cinnamon truly shines. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many diseases, from arthritis to Alzheimer's. While inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, long-term inflammation can cause lasting harm. Cinnamon contains unique compounds, such as cinnamaldehyde, that have been shown to reduce markers of inflammation in the body. Laboratory studies indicate that cinnamon may inhibit the expression of certain genes involved in the inflammatory response, thereby helping to calm the body's defenses when the siege are no longer needed. Heart health is also at the forefront of cinnamon's potential benefits. Cardiovascular disease remains the world's leading cause of death, so any natural intervention that supports heart health is worth noting. Research suggests that cinnamon may help reduce several key risk factors for heart disease, including high cholesterol and triglyceride levels. In a review of clinical trials, participants who took cinnamon supplements experienced lower levels of total cholesterol, bad LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, while their good HDL cholesterol increased. Additionally, cinnamon's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help protect the delicate lining of blood vessels, supporting overall cardiovascular health. Let's bring these benefits to life with a compelling real-world example. Consider the story of a group of volunteers with type 2 diabetes who participated in a clinical trial investigating cinnamon's effects. For 40 days, half the group added a small amount of cinnamon to their daily diet, while the others did not. By the end of the study, those who consumed cinnamon saw significant improvements in their blood sugar control, cholesterol levels, and even their waist circumference. One participant, who had struggled with blood sugar spikes for years, described the results as life-changing. She found it easier to manage her diabetes and felt more energetic throughout the day. While cinnamon isn't a magic cure, stories like these highlight just how powerful nature's remedies can be when combined with a healthy lifestyle and modern medicine. Of course, it's important to remember that not all cinnamon is created equal. There are two main types: Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, and Cassia cinnamon, which is more commonly found in supermarkets. While both have health benefits, Cassia cinnamon contains higher levels of a compound called coumarin, which can be harmful in large amounts. Moderation is key, and when possible, opting for Ceylon cinnamon is the safer choice, especially if you plan to use it regularly as a supplement. So, what are the key takeaways about cinnamon as nature's miracle medicine? First, cinnamon is a potent source of antioxidants, helping to protect our bodies from the inside out. Second, it shows real promise in supporting healthy blood sugar levels, making it a valuable ally for people concerned about diabetes and metabolic health. Third, its anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, while its effects on cholesterol and heart health make it a smart addition to a balanced diet. And finally, cinnamon's benefits are backed by both centuries of traditional use and a growing body of scientific research. Incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine can be as simple as sprinkling it over your breakfast, adding it to smoothies, or stirring it into your coffee or tea. While it's not a substitute for medical treatment, it can be a powerful complement to a healthy lifestyle. As always, consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions or take medications. If you're as fascinated by the potential of natural remedies as we are, don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed insights. Let's continue exploring the world of herbal medicine together, one spice at a time.